What is this? Is that YouTube help? I don't know what he is supposed to avoid this, okay? This is videos. This is a very project, a giant robot. Yes, well, there's a lot of them. What the heck is wrong with you with a robot? Okay? You are just a robot. I can't find it, honey. I'm sorry. Carl? Carl? Did you find it, Mother? Well, the Hester can't find it. There are 3 dinosaurs. I gotta head to see. Now, they gotta go back. But Mother, get you to work. Mr. X, how is it a place of your life? Well, I did. I do not want to say I'm a robot. But I has the Major, shut up! Don't you understand you? I don't know powers of fun. But sir, I did explain it to do. Well, it just happened. With a barrel axe, I want to show you I got to kill them, but there are 2 dinosaurs. It's over, G. I gotta have it as a sense of big guy. Barrel axe, you cannot escape hot. There was an animal planet big again. You hear me? Get out the... What's up, G? Oh, is this true, Mr. Rex? I cannot explain your power, and so you died. Let's get this in the air. But Mr. Rex, I guess we need monsters, electronic monsters, come on.